If your iPhone flashlight is not working, it's no problem because there are a couple different steps that you can take that only take a few seconds to get that flashlight fixed. So let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is close out of all of the apps that are currently open and swipe down from the top right. Let's just tap on that flashlight icon here. You might have set the flashlight all the way to 0. And if that's the case, you can take your finger on the flashlight and just pump it up. So you can see if it's down below here, you can just move it up with your finger and make it wider or more narrow. However, if that doesn't work for you and the flashlight is not popping up, let's instead swipe down from the top right and open up the camera app. From the camera app, you can see the little lightning bolt at the top right. Just tap on that until you get to flashlight on, or you might need to press and hold and switch it to flash on. Let's try to take a photo and make sure that the flashlight works at that point. If the flashlight works in the camera app, but it doesn't work in the control center, that gives us a bit more information that the flashlight is working. And at this point, you have a couple different options. It's not a hardware issue, it's a software issue that we're going to reset. So let's open up the settings app on your iPhone. The next thing I would recommend doing is tapping on general and then software update. Just check to see if you have a software update, but if you don't, that's no problem. We're just going to tap the back arrow, scroll down to the bottom, choose transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset. Now within here, all we need to do is select reset all settings. Keep in mind, this will reset all of those settings, including some of your passwords. So make sure you write those down beforehand. And then just enter in the passcode you use to unlock your iPhone and hit reset all settings. Now, another factor on why that flashlight could potentially not be working is because your iPhone is overheating. So I would recommend just pressing and holding the power up or the volume up and power button, and then sliding to turn your phone off, essentially powering it down so that it cools down, and then restart it after a few minutes. I hope this helps. I know you want to learn more about your iPhone, so I would recommend checking out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it to level up your ability to use your iPhone.